Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be talking about the benefit of papaya leaves, the amazing benefit of dry papaya leaves. So papaya plant as a whole is loaded with a lot of health benefits. The papaya fruit, the seed, the flowers, the leaves, and even the papaya roots, they all have different kinds of health benefits. But today's video is about papaya leaves. Papaya leaves contain nutrients and antioxidants, and these antioxidants include flavonoid and vitamin C. And what this antioxidant does to the body is that protect the body from oxidative stress and free radicals. And we have three kinds of papaya leaves. We have the brown color, which is the dry papaya leaves. We have the fresh papaya leaves as well, which is the green color. We also have these yellowish papaya leaves. These three papaya leaves now, they all have different kinds of health benefits and what you can use it for. In order not to make our video to be too long, we focus on the benefits of dry papaya leaves. This is what we are going to talk about in this video and how to use it effectively. So the number one health benefit of dry papaya leaves is that it helps in treatment of malaria and fever. If you're having malaria and fever, then you need to start taking these papaya leaves. It is very, very effective. Africans, we are really blessed with nature, just that most of us don't have the knowledge on how to use it and how to go about it. So if you're having malaria and fever, then you need to start taking dry papaya leaf tea. Then the second health benefit of these dry papaya leaves is that it is good for cis menstruation. If you're having issue with irregular menstruation, cis menstruation, menstrual cramps, like severe menstruation pains, then you need to start taking this papaya leaf tea. It is very, very effective. So what you are going to do for how to use it for malaria and fever is that get your fresh papaya leaves. Once you get your fresh papaya leaves, the next thing you are going to do is to wash it thoroughly. You take it moderately. Don't overuse it. Don't overuse it. Take it moderately. So how to use these dry papaya leaves for malaria and fever is that get your dry papaya leaves. Then the next thing you are going to do is to wash it thoroughly. You can drop a pinch of salt to use and wash it. Just wash it very well. Then after washing it, there are two ways you can go about it. There are two ways. The number one is the boiling method, and the number two is the soaking method. Remember, you have to consume it. You don't keep it overnight. Like, you don't prepare it and leave it till the next day. If you prepare it today, make sure you take it the one you are preparing is just for a day. Consume it within a day, and you are taking it twice daily. Take it in the morning and last thing before going to bed, twice daily. And prepare the one you can finish at that time. Once it enters the next day, you are going to dispose it. Don't take it again. Prepare a fresh one. So the first method is for you to get your dry papaya leaves, and the next thing is that you are going to wash it very well. You can just add a pinch of salt to it. Use the salt water to wash it thoroughly. Then after washing it, you are going to put it in your boiling kettle or your pot, whatever you want to use in boiling it. Put it there and boil it for like 15 to 20 minutes depending on your heat. Boil it very well. Then after boiling it, you allow your tea to be cold or to be warm, not really cold. About it is best taken when it is warm. So you allow your tea to be warm. Once it is warm, you are going to drop a pinch of salt. I'm not saying you should put 1 tablespoon, no, a pinch, just a little pinch of salt to it. Add pinch of salt to it and stir it very well and consume your tea. Consume your tea. Then for the soaking method, maybe if you want to soak it in the morning, just wash it very well. Get your container, then soak it there. Add water to it and leave it for like 1 hour, 1 hour plus. Then after that, you strain your tea. Before you take it, you add a little pinch of salt. That is for malaria and fever. You can still take it without adding salt to it. Yes, you can still take it without adding salt to it. And if you want to add salt, just add a pinch of salt to it, then you consume it before going to bed. You are still going to take it before going to bed, twice daily. Then for irregular menstruation and cis menstruation, it is almost the same thing. Just get enough of it, boil it very well, then strain it, and you have your tea. You are going to take it for like 3 months. Three For irregular menstruation, you are going to take it for like 3 months and see the changes. It is very, very effective for like 3 months. Then after that, you see the changes. Yes. So maybe in my next video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of papaya fruit and the seed. Yes, because we may be taking papaya fruit, we don't really know what it does to the body. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about the amazing benefits of papaya fruit and the seed. So guys, that is the end of today's video. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. If you have any comment, just leave your comment in the comment section. Your questions will be answered. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Your questions will be answered. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next video.